Hi, ako nga po pala si Galibro Ocampo. Ito po yung presentation ko ng MMM Theology. So, what is MMM Global? MMM Global is a self-managed community by participants aimed in providing each other financial help on the principle of great use, reciprocity, and benevolence. MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. MMM is a social network that connects the one who wants to donate money with the one who wants to get money. Participants transfer money directly to each other, peer-to-peer system. No central account, it will not collect your money. So, ito po yung history. MMM Global Community started in 2011 as a new project of Sergei Marovty in Moscow, Russia, to create a new fair financial order as a world mutual aid fund community, primarily to free the people from bondage of financial slavery, speeded up at the very first day of its beginning. MMM gives you a technical basic program that helps millions of participants worldwide to find those who are in need and those who are ready to provide help with their spare money. So, ganito po siya nagana yung how does it work when you declare willingness to give help by clicking the provide help in your personal office. Your account will credited with Mavro. So, ito po yung page. Kung provide help po kayo, mag-input po kayo dyan ng amount ng pera kung ilan yung kaya nyo pong bigay na help. So, tapos nun, yung pagka-bigay po nun, pupunta po yung pera mo sa Mavro, which is Mavro is internal currency of the system. So, ito po yung pinaka-account nyo po. Dito po makikita yung balance. Makikita nyo po yung values ng pera nyo po sa MMM. Ito yung Mavro's amount will start growing from the moment of deposit at the rate of 30% per month. The calculation of interest occurs twice a week on Tuesday and Thursdays. This sum in Mavro shows how much you can request yourself. So, meron din po kaming benefits. We are offering mutual aid program with 30% growth per month for your donation. So, pagka nag-provide po kayo na help, meron po kayong possible growth rate at 30% per month. At mapofroze po siya for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, pwede nyo na po siyang kuhain. Get help. So, meron po tayo isa pang pagkukuha ng pera. Ito po yung registration bonus. After having registered and making the first donation, the participant receives a bonus amount na kung ang pinasok nyo po ay, na value ay within $50 to $499, meron po kayong bonus na $20. Then, pag nag-donate po kayo ng $500 to $2,999, meron po kayong bonus na $50. And more than $50, you'll be given $100. So, meron din po tayong referral program. Dito po sa referral program, you will get a 10% from donations of participants you invited. Inviting new members from community is your additional contribution to its development. So, ganito po siya mangyayari. Pag nagpasok po kayo ng tao, kung magkano po yung pini-age niya, meron po kayong 10% na referral bonus. So, becoming a manager by finishing 10-day online schooling and earn guiders bonus. Managers of MMM community can create their own multi-level structures and get a bonus from each of donation of every participant in their structure. This is a multi-level bonus. Thus, a manager can have his own leader whose rank is higher than him. Manager bonus varies depending on the level of structure. So, dito po, makikita nyo po, pag naging guider na po kayo, sa first level niya po, makaka-receive po kayo ng 5% sa kanilang donation. Then, sa second level, meron po kayo 3%. Next level, 1. Hanggang makarating po kayo sa 10th level. which has 0.1%, 0.01%. So, yun na po ang natutunan ko. Salamat po.